Hey everyone, how are you? What's the difference between an email that convert at 5% and the other one that convert 45%? Not only the offer, not the audience, just the word. So today I will show you the five copywriting technique that doubled one of our client conversion and generated extra 157K last quarter. Okay, so I'm this is the 24 quarter video I'm giving you right now. Okay, so let's see, and the video title will be email copywriting secret, how we doubled our client conversion with these five techniques. Okay, so before diving into the video, so in this video there will be no theory, no guesswork, real techniques we have tested across 15,000 plus emails. There's five methods worked whether you are sending cold mails, nurturing your sequence, or sales follow-up. So whatever you are doing. Okay, so let's break it down. The first technique is the psychology of persuasive languages. Okay, the first technique is understanding the psychology behind the persuasive languages. Okay, we have tested psychologically triggered across 5,000 email and found three that consistently outperformed. Okay, so loss aversion, that is bad. Loss aversion bad, that is our tools helps improves conversion rate. Okay, so if you told that, it's a bad one right now. So good on it, stop losing 70% of the visitor who abandon your funnel. The same thing, our tools will help you to stop losing 70% of the visitor who abandoned your funnel, but in a different approach. We are positioning our offer in a different way. Curiosity gaps, the bad one is I have some ideas for your marketing strategy. It's the bad one, everyone is doing that. But the good one is I found three unusual pattern in your competitor strategy that you might be missing. Same thing but different approach, it will perform good. Okay, then the next one is cognitive easy is, that is bad one is we offer comprehensive marketing optimization solutions for e-commerce businesses looking to maximize their ROAS through multi-channel integration. Okay, it's a bad one, it's a long email. Okay, long phrase. So you can write it down. We help online stores sell more while spending less cash on ads. Something different approach. Okay, so the key finding is psychologically triggered work when they're specific and authentic, not when they feel manipulative. How you will implement that, right? The implementation tip will be like, before sending an email, identify which psychological trigger you are leveraging and make sure it aligns with your actual value proposition and offer. Though that's the first one. And the second technique is a b tested phrases that convert. The second technique, using proven phrases that statically improve conversion. We have A/B tested thousands of phrases variation, and here is the clear winner. Opening lines, low performance. I hope this email finds you well. If anyone's seeing this, they completely like know you are pitching them or it's a cold mail. Okay, most of the people doing it. So high performer will be like, your recent specific achievement caught my attention. Okay, it's personalized. Value proposition, that is low, we offer best in class solutions. Okay, no one is like looking for your best class solution. So high performer is, we helped similar company achieve similar result in time frame. That's a good one. Okay, call to action, low performer, let me know if you are interested in, it shows 3% conversion in our case. Okay, but high performer, would you be open a 10-minute call to explore this? How could this work for your company in next week or maybe next 3 4 days? Okay, in line, low performer, looking forward to hearing from you. High performer, if this isn't a priority right now, not a problem right now, something, but in a professional approach. Okay, the pattern, specificity wins. Generic phrases are ignored because psychologically the brain pays attention to the precision and details. How you will implement it? Create a swift file of your top performing phrases from each email component and use them as building blocks for your new campaigns. The technique number 3, that is power word versus weak word. Okay, the third technique focuses on the word choices, specifically power word versus the weak word. Our analysis found that certain word consistently strengthen your messages while other weaken it. Power words with the response, if you use the power word, it will uplifted your response rate. That is specific, you, because, imagine, proven, this kind of things is the power word. And weak word is, that is reduction your response rate, that is very, just, maybe, try, hope, this kind of version if you use it, that is a weak word. So let's compare it. Okay, the weak version is, I just wanted to reach out and see maybe if you'd like to try our very good services, okay, whatever the service you are selling. The power version is, you mention specific challenges with customer retention, which is why I am sharing our proven approach to solving this exact problem. You just measure the, you just see the uh, comparison. So you will see like there is a clear winner here. Okay, the differences is the sounds are uncertain and generic. The second sound confident and relevant. How you will implement it, right? Run your email through a power word tracker before sending. Replace weak qualifier with a word with specific and confident statement. The fourth technique is storytelling and implemented in short form. The fourth technique is incorporating storytelling, even it's in a short mail, no matter what. So it should be implemented. Every good story has a character that is your prospect, a conflict, their problem, a resolution, your solutions. Okay, so this is a good theory. If you just copy and paste it in your email copy, that's enough. The bad example is, our software helps marketing teams improve their workflows. Okay, you can many people are doing the same thing, same offer, same lines. But good example is, when the marketing team at company X faced missed deadline and campaign delays, they implemented our workflow as a solutions within 30 days. They launched campaigns 40% faster and saw 25% increase in conversion rate. Okay, details in focus and pinpoint. Okay, micro storytelling element that work, that is before and after scenario, problem solution framework, and challenges and outcomes structure. Most effective stories in cold mail are relevant to the recipient industries, brief they brief on their email, and that is are not much or maximized than 2 3 sentences, specific with metrics and time frames, focused on similar companies. Implementation tip: create a story bank of customer success narrative broke down into 2 3 sentence of version of your email. So that's it. And now comes the technique number 5, that is tone and voice optimization. The final technique is optimization your tones and voice of your specific audience. We tested identical offer with different tones across industries and found dramatic differences. Okay, technical audience, like winning tones direct, data driven, respectful of expertise. Losing tone enthusiast and jargon heavy and over familiar. And response rate difference between like 32% to 8%. Okay, this is the response rate between. And as I told you about the jargon heavy, that is most of the people who, when they do a market research or a niche research, they find they prompt chat gpt to find the industry jargon word, and they put the jargon words on the uh, email copy. They think we are talking about their language, but it's old process. People are so much smart right now, so don't use a heavy jargon. It will be backfired. Okay, executive audience. Winning tone is conscious, outcome focused, strategic. Losing tone is detailed, feature focused, tactical. Responses differences between 28% to 6%. Creative industry. Winning tone conversational, visual descriptive, innovation focused, and losing tone is formal, technical, efficiency focused. Response rate between 34% versus 9%. Key insight is here: tone matching improves trust and comprehension. Implementation tip: create a audience tone profile for each major segment of your target. Tailor implement accordingly. Implementation framework: let's put all this together with an implementation framework. Okay, audience analysis: define your recipient role, industry, and pain point. Select appropriate tone and voice. Message construction: choose one, two psychological trigger. Select proven phrases from your Swift file. Incorporate relevance to micro story. Replace weak word with power word. Testing framework: A/B test one element at a time. Track specific phrase performance. Document winning combinations. So that's it. And remember, great copywriting isn't about trick or manipulation. It's about clarity, relevance, and genuine value. Start with these five techniques and test them on your audience. Watch your conversion rates climb. Okay, drop a comment if you have any kind of questions. And one more thing, if you need any kind of help with your cold mail and want any kind of done for you setup for your cold mail or any help in between cold mail, you can book a call with us, and we can help you with that. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any kind of question, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.